Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb and I'm coming back with another video, and today I'm gonna show y'all how to finally wire this TL Type S harness up into your third gen. This don't have to be a Type S. This can be, honestly, do your research, but for the most part, some later Acuras. I want to say for sure the TL platform, the third gen platform. I know this is a Type S, but I'm gonna show y'all how to finally wire this guy up. Took me a little minute, but shit, man, I finally got the fucking time to sit down and actually realize where these wires go and where are they connected up to. So let's just get into the video.
I can't ride up in no charge, got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. We take engine 312 at the TL. Let's go.
So boom, back in the TL. Don't mind all this. Everything gonna make sense. Everything gonna make sense. But let me pause the camera and come back on. Let me do some stuff. Boom. So now that I got all the wire loom off that motherfucker, let me get it set. But this is a Type S. This is what the motherfucker look like when you take it off or cut it off. You're gonna have to cut this off, or you can depin this, which takes, I don't know, it might take more time if you don't know how to depin. But if depin is your only life source, my nigga, then depin this shit and repin it. But if you don't feel like doing all that, I crimped these wire connectors and they're holding up. The only thing about it is fitment. If you want perfect fitment, solder the connections. And this wire only happened just now, trying to get the whole assembly available to y'all to look at. But first thing first, let me get some stuff out of the way. You are gonna want to use a Type S harness. You can use an 07 or 08, but it's gonna be much more harder because you're gonna have to install this blue and this purple wire. You're gonna have to install these two wires if you don't have a Type S cluster. So just get the Type S cluster, save yourself some time and connectivity issues. So if you already have an 07 or 08, these are the only two wires that you need to run to make your paddle shifters run, and run them to the plus and minus on your gear shift. So most of these harness kind of vary colors between the years of 07 to 08 and from 06 to 04, or from 04 to 06. But this common ground wire, you're just gonna wire it into the first ground on the same column. So these two grounds go together, and that's how you connect your ground. Well, that's how you ground your connections. See, like how I have here, these two ground cables going into one ground cable. You are gonna have to do that. You don't have to wire 3 wires to the gear shifter. The only 2 wires that you have to wire to the gear shifter is the upshift and downshift, which are this blue and this purple wire. And to do this, to make your life a hell of a lot easier, just please remove the steering wheel. Please remove it. It's two T30s on the side to remove the airbag. Then you got a 14 mil to hold on the steering wheel. Then you gotta beat it off. Before you take it off, remove the clock spring before you fuck that too. For the most part, you use all of the wires. You are gonna use all of the wires because 3 are for the select, reset, and info button, and you have 2 more for the paddle shifter. Well, 3 more for the paddle shifters: up, down, and common ground, which I showed you can wire the common ground into the harness like that. But shit, I'm trying to see and I can't see where these 2 go to. Honestly, it's been a little minute since I had this all took it apart. I want to say going on a year now. It's been a little minute, but if you do butt connector it, it's gonna last as long as you don't fucking touch it. It's gonna stay and it's gonna be functional. It's probably not gonna look the prettiest, but it'll function. So the main ones you want to connect: blue, purple to your up and down shift. It's green and yellow wood is your cruise control. I remembered it off the top of my head. This green and yellow is your cruise control, and that matches. But the Type S plug is gonna have 2 brown cables. They're on top of each other, and the brown wire that's on the bottom of the connector with the tab, this is the top of the connector. This is the bottom. So the bottom brown wire will connect to the gray wire, and the top brown wire will color code. Yep, doesn't have a black stripe. Yep. Pink wire for the 07, 08 Type S harness will clip up to the green and red one. After the first 3 wires is your cruise control, and you can just color coordinate that to the other green and yellow one. And after the cruise control would be the up and down, which you wire those to the plus and minus at the gear shift. Like I said, the pink goes into the green and the red cable or the red wire. I'm sorry it's not too close, but I'm just trying to explain this in the best way that I can. There we go. That looks a lot better. That looks a hell of a lot better. Okay, cool. And like I said, the top brown cable goes to the brown cable from the 04 through 06. Pink goes to the green and red. And the orange is your HFL link, and that color codes. Bottom of the harness. So the bottom 3 are gonna be for the steering wheel controls and the info, select and reset button. It will be the bottom 3. That's why these 2 are not connected and these 2 are disconnected from the butt connector. So that makes a lot of sense. The first black one is your ground. Like the first wire that comes out the top is your ground. The white wire goes to the gray and red wire, and the light green wire goes to the light green wire. Back to the bottom. The first wire is gonna be the ground. The next 3 wires, they're gonna be for your select, reset, and up and down, or the menu buttons. So take those, you can do what you want with those. And the second black cable is gonna be your common ground, so you can just tie those together and then run it to the ground from the 04 through 06. Just tie those 2 grounds in that harness and run it to the 04 through 06 cable or wire. And this red and purple looks to be the solid red wire, and the red and black wire goes to the red and black wire. And like I said, this bottom brown connector goes to that gray wire. So if you have enough patience, I just basically explain how you can do all this, basically step by step. So this still works. The only thing that's missing is my infotainment and some shit up underneath the hood. But other than that, if I throw this back together, my paddle should work, because they are going from the harness to the gear shifter, and my connections are not interrupted. So steering wheel still should work. A couple of buttons don't work. It'd be all right. I'm not driving this car anymore. More information about that on another video, but for the most part, that's pretty much it. So this is completely possible for any earlier Acuras, like from 04, I want to say, to 2009, 2008, around that area. So if you want a TL Type S steering wheel, just get the clock spring, wheel, wire harness, and go from there. So to make this easier on you, just go cut this from a junk Type F, get the wheel, get the airbag, and get the clock spring. Do not forget the clock spring. That is gonna make everything work. So and I don't have the old clock spring or the old plug here with me to show you, but it is a different style connector. I think the 04 through 06 is more fat, and this is kind of like more slender. It's a 13 pin connector, and the other one is like a 10, or I don't know. It's not a 13 though. That's all I know. But if y'all did like the video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on post notifications on, and I'ma catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
I'm coming like Rollo, yeah. Fixes and Twitter like one in Cosmo.